again as we kick off 2026 with something truly special. For those of you who've been following me for a while, you know how much I love motorcycles, especially classics. And today, I've got something legendary to talk about, the Yamaha Road 350. Yes, the beast is back in the spotlight, and it's more relevant now than ever. For many riders, the Road 350 wasn't just a motorcycle, it was an icon, a symbol of raw two-stroke power and unmatched character. Born in the 1970s, it became a sensation in India and worldwide. It was light, it was fast, and that exhaust note. Pure adrenaline. Even after all these years, there's something about the RD that still gets the heart racing. In 2026, the love for this machine hasn't faded, if anything, it's grown stronger. Lately, there's been a massive resurgence in interest in vintage bikes. Custom garages are bringing Road 350s back to life with modern twists, resto mods, performance upgrades, digital display clusters, and even eco-friendly tweaks like fuel injection systems replacing the old cars. But the soul, that's still intact. The twin-cylinder two-stroke roar still echoes in the hearts of the enthusiasts. I recently had a chance to ride a beautifully restored Road 350, and I'll be honest, nothing comes close. The pull in the mid-range, the way it just begs to be revved, the raw, untamed feel, it's a time machine that takes you back, even while you're racing forward. And with 2026 bringing in stricter emission norms, these machines are becoming collector's items. If you've got one, preserve it. If you're looking to buy one, now's the time. Prices are going up, and availability is shrinking. So this year, I'll be bringing you a full series on the Road 350, history, restoration tips, owner interviews, riding footage, and performance mods. Whether you're an old-school biker or a curious new rider, I promise you, this series will be worth the ride. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and get ready for a deep dive into